Hello lovely creatives, Vivian here from Vivian's Creativity Lab. I'm on my Canva homepage, and as you can see I've been working on quite a few things that I'd like to show you. Here's some leaf art transparency templates that I made. Then I made some Art Nouveau with backgrounds and some Scandinavian style templates as well. And I also made some A4 size images using adjustments. But I think we'll go to leaf art transparency. This will be a rather quick video. So as you can see, I've got, let me make it a bit bigger. I've made some very simple images of leaves that I got from the Canva free account library. Here's another one. And coming down to the last one. Okay, so I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to create a design. This is a flyer A4 size to give you an idea how to make your own transparent leaves images. Okay, so let's go to the first one I did, and as you can see there are 3 leaves. Okay, so let me go over to the untitled one. I'm going up to Elements on the top left hand side of the menu, and I'm going to search for leaf. Okay, that doesn't give me my recent ones. I'm going up here as usual, up to the filters, and I'm just scrolling down and I'm going on to the free elements. Okay, and there's the leaf that I used. If you go to the 3 dots, you can see who created the leaf. Cutout image of Monstera leaf by DSAP Projects Images. Okay, and this is free to use, and you can go over to the eye here, click on that to see what you're allowed to do with the image. Okay, so first things first, it's appeared in the center, so I'm going to rotate it round a little bit, and I'm just going to drag out the side here to make it a little bit bigger. That's a bit too big. So what am I going to do next? I'm going on to it, and I'm going to right click, copy, right click, paste. There we are. And I'm going to bring this one up here, and I'm going up to the box here, which is transparency, and I'm going to bring the transparency right down, and then I'm going to go up to position, and I'm going to position it backward. Okay, I might also rotate it, you see the arrows here, a little bit. Let's go back to my original. Okay, they're a lot bigger here, so let's make them a bit bigger. Rotate, and I'm coming, I've just left clicked on this one, and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm only going to use the first leaf. I'm going up to Edit Photo, and if you have the Pro version of Canva, you can do various things with this. And if you go up to well, actually, no, if you come down, change my mind as usual, come down to filters and look at the different filters. Barley, that makes it a bit brighter. Did you see that? So I think I'll leave that like that. I'm going to click on the other one and I'm going to change that slightly to flint. And that's all I've done. Okay, let's go back to the original one. I'm going to come down and show you how to do this one. So go back to my untitled design and I am going to add a page. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and choose this leaf. This is another cutout PNG by Layer Lab, and this also is free. Okay, so click on there, bring it round, position it wherever you like, slide it around just a touch. Okay, now I'm going to come back onto it, right click, copy, paste, and I'm coming up to transparency again, bringing it down slightly, and I'm going to copy, paste, right click and bring it down slightly. I'm going to rotate it till I've got it into the position that I like. Okay, that's that one. I'm going to send it to the back. Let me show you. Up to position, to back, which means it's actually gone behind this main one. I'm coming up to edit photo. Actually, I think I'm on the wrong one. To the back. Okay, it's this one I want. So you need to select the right one, which I didn't. Okay, flint. There we are. And that's a very simple way of giving your designs transparency. Let's quickly do something else. Let's go on to elements. Search elements, flowers. I've got to go back up here to filters to get the free ones because I know not everyone has a pro Canva account. So let's look at the photos, see all. See if there's an isolated. Okay, the tulips are nice. Sorry, the daffodils. Okay, so I'm going to bring them down slightly. There we are. I'm coming on there, right click, copy, paste, and I'm going to do something a little bit different, up to transparency, and as you can see, you can do lots of wonderful things. I might make these a bit bigger so you can see the effect of the transparency. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I'd love to hear your any comments you'd like to make, and if you've got any videos that you'd like me to create, let me know in the comments. Okay, bye for now.